Good morning, class students. Today we will discuss the chapter of class 6 An Indian American Women in Space, Kalpana Chawla. You have also listened about her. Before you read, in 1947, an Indian American Kalpana Chawla was part of the international crew aboard the US Space Shuttle Columbia, becoming the first woman born in India to go into space. She was the first Indian woman who was born in India and go to and went into space. Sadly, the second mission in Columbia ended in tragedy. Tragedy, sad incident. Now, an Indian American woman in space, Kalpana Chawla, very clear from the topic, from the title, that this chapter is about Kalpana Chawla. Kalpana Chawla was born at Karnal, who wished to cross the frontiers of space. She had her graduation from Tagore School and after that took degree in aeronautical engineering from US. Later she earned her PhD in aerospace engineering. Her blast off from the launch pad at Cape Canaveral, Florida was successful. Chawla was born in Karnal and married to US citizen Jean Pierre Harrison. She was a flight instructor and wanted to join NASA's Space Shuttle program. In 1994, she was selected by NASA to be an instructor. Chawla's first mission in Space Shuttle Columbia was 15 days, 16 hours and 34 minutes long. She went around the Earth 252 times along with Japanese and Ukrainian astronauts. The news about the Columbia disaster sent shock and disbelief. The town of Karnal spent a sleepless night in the hope that Kalpana might be saved. The knowledge of Kalpana was excellent, and for millions of young Indians, she has been a symbol of inspiration. Now, see, a space shuttle is a spacecraft that is made for repeated space travel, unlike a rocket, for example, between Earth and a space station. Now, see, use a dictionary to do the task below. Find out the meanings of the following word. Naturalized US citizen. Naturalized US citizen means admitted US citizenship to foreigners. Space, space, continuous expanse in which things exist. Frontier of space, borders between celestial bodies. Abroad, to be in a space shuttle. Lift off, to take off from base. Crew, members of flight. Now see a newspaper report. This is the newspaper report. Tragedy in space. US Space Shuttle Columbia breaks into flames. It in an unprecedented space tragedy, US Space Shuttle Columbia carrying India-born American astronaut Kalpana Chawla and 6 others broke apart in flames as it streaked over Texas towards its landing strip on Saturday, 1st February 2003, killing all 7 on board. The shuttle lost contact with NASA at about 9 a.m. As it came in for landing, it was flying in an altitude of over 200,000 feet and traveling all at over 20,000 km per hour when ground control lost contact with the shuttle. Columbia had lifted off on 16 January 2003 from the Kennedy Space Center, Florida. It had stayed in orbit for 16 days and the 7 members crew conducted 18 experiments before it began its downward journey, which ended in tragedy which ended in tragedy. This was Columbia's 28th space flight, and the shuttle was said to be good for 100 flights. Now see students, B exercise. B exercise, we will do this. Read the newspaper report to find the following facts about the Columbia's ill-fated voyage. First, date and place of liftoff: 16 January 2003 from Kennedy Space Center. Number of astronauts on board: how many members? 7 members. Number of days it stayed in space: how many days? 16 days. Number of experiments done by scientists: how many experiments? 80 experiments were done by scientists. Date of return journey: yes, very good, Saturday, 1st February 2003. Height at which it lost contact: at height of 200,000 feet. I think you have filled these information. Students, see this exercise also. Match the following: unprecedented space tragedy, a sad accident of a kind that has never happened before in space. Next, certified flight instructor, a person with the correct qualification to teach people to fly planes. Space mission, a set of jobs to be done in space by a group. Super specialization, great expertise in a limited field or a particular subject. Encyclopedic knowledge, having knowledge of a wide variety of subjects. Inspiring, something that causes feelings of respect and wonder. And the last, in this age, nowadays, in these times. So students, you are able to understand these two exercises.